What makes a man truly irresistible? Is it the perfect physique, the designer wardrobe, or the flashy car? Or is there something deeper, something more magnetic that draws us in? Welcome back to The Mind Detective, where we uncover the hidden secrets of human behavior. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of male allure, cracking the code of what makes some men effortlessly attractive, while others, well, not so much. Get ready to discover the 7 red flags that scream, "Stay away," when it comes to ultra-attractive men. We'll reveal the habits and mindsets that sabotage attraction, and more importantly, we'll uncover the qualities that make men truly irresistible. So, gentlemen, are you ready to level up your game? Ladies, curious to know what makes a man truly attractive? Then buckle up, because this is one mind-blowing ride you don't want to miss. Red flag #1, Negativity Vortex. Red flag number 1, the Negativity Vortex. Picture this: a man who constantly complains about his job, criticizes others, and sees the glass as perpetually half empty. Not exactly a recipe for irresistible charm, right? Attractive men, on the other hand, radiate positivity and optimism. They're problem solvers, not complainers. They find the silver lining in challenging situations and inspire those around them with their energy and enthusiasm. So, if you find yourself constantly spewing negativity, it's time to flip the script. Focus on the good, practice gratitude, and watch your attractiveness soar. Red flag #2, red flag number 2, Neediness, the attraction killer. Clingy, desperate, and overly attached behavior is like kryptonite to charisma. It signals insecurity and a lack of emotional independence, which is a major turnoff. Attractive men, in contrast, are secure in themselves and their relationships. They have their own passions, interests, and goals, and they don't rely on others to validate their worth. They understand that healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, trust, and space to grow. Red flag #3, the mama's boy mythbusters. Okay, I get it. Respect for mom is good, but let's unpack red flag number 3, the mama's boy myth. Now, there's nothing wrong with having a close relationship with your mom, but when it crosses the line into dependence and inhibits your ability to function as an independent adult, that's when it raises eyebrows. Attractive men are self-sufficient and capable. They take initiative, make their own decisions, and handle life's challenges head-on. They also understand the importance of healthy boundaries with family, knowing when to navigate their own path and when to seek guidance. So, gentlemen, if your mom still does your laundry and packs your lunch for work, it's time to spread your wings and learn to fly solo. Ladies, keep an eye out for the ones who can handle a spatula without calling mommy for instructions. Red flag #4, the jealous green-eyed monster. Uh-oh, I sense tension in the air. Red flag number 4, the jealous green-eyed monster. Nobody likes a partner who constantly questions their loyalty, monitors their every move, and throws jealous tantrums at the slightest hint of potential competition. Attractive men, on the other hand, exude security and trust in their relationships. They understand that jealousy is a toxic weed that chokes love, and they prioritize open communication and healthy boundaries. They believe in their partner's integrity and know that mutual respect is the foundation of a strong connection. So if you find yourself constantly consumed by jealousy, it's time to take a step back and work on your insecurities. Remember, trust is the most valuable currency in any relationship, and attractive men understand that. And speaking of trust, brace yourselves for red flag number 5, the walking encyclopedia trap. Oh, yes, the walking encyclopedia trap. We've all encountered it. The guy who throws around his knowledge like confetti, constantly interrupting conversations to showcase his superior intellect. While a little wisdom can be attractive, an overdose of know-it-all arrogance tends to repel rather than allure. Attractive men, in contrast, are humble and open-minded. They understand that true intelligence lies in the ability to learn, listen, and engage in genuine conversation. They embrace curiosity and ask questions instead of pontificating their every thought. So, gentlemen, ditch the dictionary as your fashion accessory and focus on active listening. Ladies, remember that intelligence comes in many forms, and a genuine interest in others is far more attractive than a bulging bookshelf. Red flag #6, the player's game of hearts. Now, we all know a Casanova or two, the smooth talker who flits from heart to heart like a butterfly among wildflowers. While their initial charm may be undeniable, the player's game of hearts ultimately leaves a trail of broken promises and emotional wreckage. Attractive men, on the other hand, embrace genuine connection and emotional sincerity. They understand that respect, commitment, and authentic relationships are far more fulfilling than fleeting flings. They prioritize integrity and value the trust they build with their partners. So gentlemen, if your romantic playbook resembles a Shakespearean tragedy, it's time to rewrite it with a focus on honesty and commitment. Ladies, beware the charm with no substance. True allure lies in genuine connection and respect. Red flag #7, the unreliable shadow man. Last but not least, red flag number 7, the unreliable shadow man. This is the guy who cancels plans at the last minute, forgets promises, and leaves you hanging in the wind. Flaky behavior not only shows disrespect, but also screams a lack of self-awareness and responsibility. Attractive men, on the other hand, are dependable and trustworthy. They follow through on commitments, prioritize integrity, and show up when they say they will. They understand that reliability is the bedrock of any strong relationship, romantic or otherwise. So, gentlemen, if your reputation precedes you like a storm cloud of missed deadlines and broken promises, it's time to rebuild your foundation on trustworthiness. Ladies, remember, reliability is a key ingredient in attraction, and someone who shows up for you is always more attractive than someone who leaves you waiting. There you have it, folks. The 7 red flags that stand between you and becoming the most attractive version of yourself. Remember, true allure isn't just about outward appearances, it's about cultivating an inner symphony of positivity, confidence, independence, trust, and genuine connection. So, ditch the negativity, channel your inner alpha, and embrace the qualities that make men truly irresistible. And hey, ladies, while you're at it, use these red flags as your trusty radar to navigate the world of male magnetism. Remember, your intuition is your best friend, and knowing what to avoid can be just as powerful as knowing what to seek. Until next time, stay curious, stay attractive, and remember, the Mind Detective is always here to help you unlock the secrets of human behavior. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing insights, and let me know in the comments which red flag resonated most with you.